Hey, how you doing? We're back here again at Block Construction. Thank you, Kevin, for letting us use your facility here. Today, both Jack and I are replacing our front splitters. We both have some damage. Mine has some extreme damage. You can see here. Jack's not so bad, but he's going to replace his anyway. He's going with a carbon fiber finish. I'm going with a gloss black finish for this Icon Motorsports from Amazon. I'll have links down in the description for these super affordable splitters. They're really cool. Now Jack has already taken his off, and now he's assembling. These splitters come as a 7-piece set, very easily assembled. They provide you with all the screws and nuts you need to put them together. One thing you got to be careful of is when you screw into here that you don't over tighten those, or you'll dimple the top side. So let's get Jack's assembled and on, and then we'll be on to mine. We'll be done. This is a real quick process. What do you think, Jack? About half hour each?
Yeah, something like that.
I think the longest time is assembling it. Once you get it assembled, it just goes right up. Jack is finished assembling his splitter. Let me show you how that works. They send you a whole bunch of screws, and it's these little tiny ones that go in to connecting your splitter pieces. There's 4 junctions with 3 screws each, equaling 12 screws. Now, what you have to be careful of, pick that end up and just tilt it like this, Jack, is tightening it too much, or you'll get dimples here on top. And you see Jack didn't get no dimples because he tightened it up just nicely. All right, we're ready to install the splitter. See, I got my glasses on so I can see these holes clearly. It's really best with 3 people, but we didn't want to make Harold drive all the way out here in the rain. He lives about 40 miles from the lift location. So here's what we got. We got about 21 holes that go right across here in front, right here behind the splitter. Okay, it's a very easy job. Now there's 21 holes. You'll take 21 out if you're removing a Z51 splitter, but a couple of the holes are going to be covered up by these junctions, so you'll have 2 leftover screws if you took all 21 out. Jack and I have a plan. Let's see how it works. This thing is huge. It's the only reason you need 3 people, so 2 people can hold it up and 1 person can screw. So watch the help for the old one there, Jack.
You got it?
Oh, you got the wrong head? I'm going to kill you.
You got it? Let it down a little bit.
Right like that. Okay. Jack was supposed to put the right head in before we started this. See, Jack's is this beautiful carbon fiber finish. Okay, we got the center lined up. Jack's putting in 1 screw on that end. Oh, you got 1 in?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you got 1 in the end, 1 in the center here.
Nice. Didn't hit nothing.
That almost sounded good. Now Jack's going to screw in another 18 screws and we'll be done. Again, we got the link is down in the comment section and in the video description section. I'm not supposed to give you the price, but it's right around $100. That may change. It does change. It goes up and down. A couple months ago, the same one was $114. So you never can be sure. But right now, this is a $100 splitter. If it gets broken, like mine got broken, BFD, it's $100. Not like a $1,000 carbon fiber splitter. All right, and we're done with Jack's. Looks really good. Gaps are really nice. You're gonna have to, once you get it mounted, you need to go back underneath and tighten up these joints, and you can get these gaps really nice. All right, Jack, go ahead and bring it down. Let's see how it looks. It takes about half hour. Now these Icon splitters tend to be a little deeper than a lot of the other splitters, and we like that. Don't we, Jack?
What?
How deep these splitters are.
Oh man, they're nice.
They really stick out pretty far. There's a Corvette, a nice aggressive look on the front end. All right, we're done with Jack's car. It took about half an hour. We're gonna put mine up on the rack, get it done, and then we'll show you some side-by-sides. All right, you can see we got my car up here on the lift, and we can see where it's broken pretty clearly. It was nice. It broke right here along the lip and left all these screws in place. So I was kind of worried that it might have ripped these screws out and I have to replace them. But now I just got to take out these 20 or so screws along here. They're T sockets. Okay, take this one off and put the new one on. It's going to be just that easy. And we're done with mine. That's about a half hour per car. Looks a lot better when it's all there, doesn't it?
I didn't hear you.
Nice and shiny. Okay, I'm going to pull the cars out and we'll get a little side by side. And we're done. Took us less than an hour to replace the splitters on both cars. I just wanted to show you how quick and easy these affordable splitters are. You can see Jack with a carbon fiber look on his. You'll see it sticks out nice and far. A lot of people get a lot of compliments on the size of the splitter. Now here's my car. Oh, and I got a little dimple. You got to be careful about these dimples here. See right there? Okay. Other than that though, it went real good. That's from tightening up the joints too much. I got a little dimple there. So that's life. Man, that's a couple of good looking cars right there, Jack.
Yep.
Alrighty, I'll have a link down in the description for you. Very affordable splitters from Icon on Amazon. As always, this is Tim. See ya.